you're experiencing server timeout issues in Red Dead Redemption 2, there are several steps you can take to improve your connection and reduce these interruptions. Follow this guide to troubleshoot and enhance your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and has sufficient speed. You can run a speed test to check your download and upload speeds. If your connection is slow, consider resetting your router or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Optimize network settings. Adjust your network settings for better performance. This may include enabling quality of service QoS on your router, which prioritizes gaming traffic, or switching to a wired connection instead of Wi-Fi for a more stable connection. Step 3. Close background applications. Close any unnecessary applications running in the background that may be using bandwidth. This includes streaming services, downloads, or other online activities that could interfere with your gaming experience. Step 4. Change DNS settings. Consider changing your DNS settings to a faster, more reliable DNS server. You can use public DNS services like Google DNS 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8, 4.4, or Cloudflare DNS 1.1, 1.1 to potentially improve your connection speed and stability. Step 5. Verify game files. If you continue to experience issues, verify the integrity of your game files through the game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. This process checks for any corrupted or missing files and replaces them, which can help resolve connectivity issues. By following these steps, you should be able to reduce server timeout issues in Red Dead Redemption 2 and enjoy a smoother gaming experience. Happy gaming!